Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing one of the most shocking, most powerful, and most luxurious modified SUVs in the world. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Urus, customized by the legendary tuning house Mansory. The Urus was already a wild machine, but Mansory has turned it into a supercar in the shape of an SUV. This is the kind of vehicle that makes people stop, stare, and wonder if they are looking at something from the future. So sit back, relax, and let's dive deep into the exterior, interior, performance, sound, and pricing of this insane creation. Let's start with the exterior because this is the first thing that grabbed attention. Lamborghini has always built aggressive and sharp-looking cars, but Mansory takes that aggression to a new dimension. The entire body gets a full carbon fiber treatment. Carbon hood, carbon bumper, carbon side skirts, carbon diffuser. Even the mirror caps and roof spoiler are carbon fiber. It looks like Lamborghini combined with a fighter jet. The front bumper has giant air intakes, aerodynamic fins, and a massive carbon hood scoop that looks like it's inhaling air to feed the beast inside. The headlights look sharper because the whole front design rises like an angry dragon ready to attack the road. On the side, the car sits wider and lower. Mansory adds wide-body fenders, giving the SUV a muscular stance. The wheels are ridiculously huge, with lightweight forged rims wrapped in ultra-low profile performance tires. When this car rolls on the street, it doesn't just drive, it dominates. The side skirts are sculpted deep into the body, making the SUV look like it's hugging the road, even when it's stationary. Moving to the back, things get even more dramatic. The rear diffuser is massive and carved with aerodynamic channels. The quad exhaust pipes look like artillery barrels ready to fire. When the engine starts, the exhaust doesn't just make noise, it screams. Above that, you see a carbon roof spoiler and another wing on the trunk, making the Urus look like a racing car disguised as an SUV. At night, the rear LED lights give the car a futuristic sci-fi vibe. From every angle, this Mansory Urus looks violent, dangerous, and extremely powerful. Now, let's step inside. The interior is where luxury meets madness. Mansory completely reupholsters everything. The seats are hand-stitched leather and Alcantara with custom patterns. Some versions get neon stitching, some get diamond stitching, and some even get illuminated logos on the seats. The dashboard, center console, and door trims are covered in carbon fiber. Even the steering wheel is redesigned with carbon inserts, a thicker racing grip in flat-bottom style. When you sit inside, it doesn't feel like a normal SUV cabin. It feels like a private jet crossed with a supercar cockpit. The digital display has sharper graphics, faster animations, and multiple performance modes. You can switch from Strada to Sport to Corsa and even rally-style off-road modes. The ambient lighting makes the interior glow at night, turning it into a luxury lounge on wheels. Whether you're sitting in the front or back, the quality is insane. Mansory does not leave a single part untouched. But the real question is, how does this monster perform on the road? Well, the stock 2026 Lamborghini Urus already comes with a twin-turbo V8. That engine alone is powerful. But Mansory says not enough. After special tuning, upgraded turbos, improved cooling, and a different engine map, the vehicle can produce up to 900 horsepower and nearly 1,100 Newton-meters of torque. For an SUV that weighs more than 2 tons, this is unbelievable. When you hit the accelerator, the car launches like a rocket. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour can be around 2.8 seconds. That's not normal SUV speed, that's hypercar speed. The top speed can reach close to 340 kilometers per hour depending on the package. Imagine a huge SUV flying faster than most sports cars on the road. The suspension is lowered, the brakes are upgraded to massive carbon ceramic discs, and handling becomes sharper. You can take corners at speeds where normal SUVs would roll, but the Urus just sticks to the road like glue. The exhaust sound is pure insanity. It sounds like thunder, fire, and explosions all mixed into one. On highways, this car feels unstoppable. In the city, it feels like a king. Now, let's talk about price. A standard Lamborghini Urus is already expensive, but when you add Mansory custom carbon fiber parts, custom wheels, premium interior upgrades, and engine tuning, the price climbs into crazy territory. A fully customized Mansory Urus can cost more than $1 to $2 million, depending on how rare the version is and what options the owner chooses. And because these are limited builds, each one becomes unique. That means only a handful of people in the world get to own a machine like this. It is basically a billionaire's toy. This is not just a car. This is a lifestyle, a status symbol, and a statement. When someone buys a Mansory Lamborghini Urus, they are not just buying speed. They are buying attention, respect, and power. Everywhere this SUV goes, cameras turn, heads turn, and everyone wants to see who is inside. It is impossible to ignore. So what does the 2026 Mansory Lamborghini Urus represent? It represents the extreme side of automotive engineering. It's a blend of supercar performance, SUV comfort, and exotic hypercar design. Some people might call it over the top, but that is exactly the point. It is built to shock people. It is built to stand out, and it succeeds perfectly. If you ever see one on the road, consider yourself lucky, because this is not a regular car you see every day. It is rare, loud, fast, and designed to break every rule of what an SUV should be. And that's why it's one of the most expensive modified SUVs on the planet. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which car you want me to review next, and I'll see you in the next video.